today I have a really unique smartphone to look at. The Blackwheel BV9900 Pro. What makes it unique? Well, it has the similar rugged construction as other phones you see me review. But it also has something special, a thermal camera. Everyone remembers the thermal camera I reviewed last month for fewer screening, right? Okay, that's 99 Fahrenheit. That's a bit of a fever. That's somebody you definitely want to check out. So aside from fever screening, what are thermal cameras good for? Well, you can use them to save on heating and air conditioning bills by spotting leaks, or outdoors to find lost pets or hiding kids, look for intruders, troubleshoot electronics, and lots of other things. Cell phones have a pretty good sensor package already built in, and a thermal cam adds to that. But we won't know how much it adds until we take it out of the box and have a look. Okay, they have the adapter, they have earphone, USB cable, and it has the screen protector. This is our phone. I wonder if they have put the protective sticker on. Yeah. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, we can unlock it with fingerprint too. It's on the side here, so I'm going to enroll my fingerprints now. Fingerprint edit is pretty quick, this fingerprint. Alright, let's take a look at their interface. Allow my flirt to access photos, media, and files on your device. Okay. So now it's opening. See, this is the fur camera. You can see my hands. Okay, now I'm filming with the fur camera. You can see that is my window, the bright orange, because it's hot outside. And on the other hand, the air conditioner is dark because, of course, it's blowing air, is cool, so it is dark. Those are my tools, my plastic bin, and my studio light. My studio light is also very, how do I say this, super orange. It's because it's sending off heat compared to the AC, you can tell. Okay, now I have the Unity thermal scanner side by side with the Blackwheel. You can see the readings on that. It should be pretty close. I don't know if the Blackwheel can do fewer screening. I have to do some more tests. But if I use this properly, it's closer, the reading. It's 97.8, so it's pretty close. 97.8. Yeah, you see on the screen it's 97.8, right? So it's pretty close, the result. Okay, this one is 99.1. This one is 98. Okay, let's use the front camera to take a look at it. Okay, this one says 102.7 and this one is 99.8. Okay, it does not do so well with the absolute number, but if I am going to scan a bunch of people, it can definitely tell the difference between these two temperatures. So relatively, it can show you the temperature difference, but it cannot tell you the exact number. So you have to recalibrate it.
客人拿2个碗过来，Peter。这个用这个就好了，是吧？ 你刚才我给你那个导航应该直接到门口对的。他这个要1秒，我不用了，下次开5分就可以了。
Okay, here's my thoughts. The camera and video quality are excellent, but I saw some difficulties with the autofocus getting locked. I hope there's a firmware update coming to address that. It's waterproof, which really is mandatory in my opinion. We all need to be cleaning our phones. But the edges and corners are metal, so even though it's shock protected and will survive a fall onto concrete, it's going to get scratched. For a rugged phone, I really like to see rubber bumpers on all corners. The front camera worked a lot better than I expected and has a ton of features. The way the app is configured is clearly designed for engineering work, and I've already used it for troubleshooting several different things. It's very handy. But the real killer app would be viewer screening like my Unity. If a teacher could sweep a classroom or nurse, a hospital waiting room, even a birthday party full of kids, see if anyone is running a high temperature, that would sell tons of these. Blackwheel or someone should definitely make a viewer screening app with a high temperature alarm. The phone also has a barometer and a humidity sensor, a little unusual and potentially useful depending on what your work or hobbies are. It has a 5.84-inch screen, not as large as some rugged phones, but definitely a bit more pocketable. Overall, I think this is as much a technical tool as it is a phone. And I'm comfortable recommending it over a standard phone if those technical features are important to you. Okay, that's it for today. Remember, YouTube often doesn't notify my subscribers, so please check my channel a few times a month to see if you missed anything. Sponsorship is great, but really, the best thing you can do for me is to post my links and tell your friends. Until next time, if I can do it, anyone can do it.